Hi everyone, hope you're well. In this session we're looking at vitamin B12. B12 can be in the form of the cobalamines, whether it's cyanocobalamin or methylcobalamin. In this case I'll just cover vitamin B12 as a general statement. Vitamin B12 is in functionality is part of the synthesis and regulation of DNA. It's involved with cell metabolism, normal synthesis of purines and pyrimidines. So we're looking at the building blocks. So folate that we looked at just previously and vitamin B12 work with the building blocks, the DNA, the RNA, and the processes behind those. And that's what's quite exciting. Think of them as Lego blocks and metabolism of these Lego blocks, as long as you don't tread on them. It's involved with blood cell formation, so B12, folate, and vitamin B6 are all involved with red blood cell formation. The other thing to remember that we looked about with vitamin B2, if you remember that session, it's also involved with red blood cell formation because it's working with that part of the pathway that enhances that. Also, these B vitamins, because we're in B12 now, all work in a simple but complex way in metabolism of red blood cells and also the importation of hemoglobin into the red blood cells. It's involved with, vitamin B12 is involved with fatty acid synthesis, myelin synthesis, and the normal functioning of the nervous system and the nerves. So in the case of vitamin B12, people are using it for a lot of different nervous conditions, for example, because it does work with the myelin sheath and the nervous system function at the same time. It's very helpful in those areas. As well as folate and vitamin B6, vitamin B12 is also involved with homocysteine metabolism, again via methylation processes. So if we think back, folate was methylation of homocysteine, vitamin B6 is transsulfuration of homocysteine, and in this case we're looking at B12 being the methylation. So if someone has elevated homocysteine levels, there's a multitude of different reasons why. So we shouldn't just be looking at one nutrient, but we should be looking at a collection of nutrients to work with homocysteine metabolism. Vitamin B12 is also involved with energy production, or energy metabolism, I should say. So if we look at it this way, taking B12 at night won't keep you awake. It's not the way how it works. It works with cellular metabolism. It's a totally different session to talk about that one there. And vitamin B12 also supports a Th1 cytokine mediated response of the immune system. So if you think of it that way, a lot of B vitamins are involved with the immune system activation and immune system regulation. We typically think of zinc and vitamin C, as I talked about in other sessions. This is very interesting with the B vitamins, how it works in these areas.